Okay guys, we're inside my Galant right now. I filled up the tire with the tire inflator on the back here, the one I got from my shop, just to inflate it. And now I'm gonna take it into my shop. It does have like a sputter. It doesn't like being on full throttle. It's kind of shutting down. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll see if I can, and then I'm gonna try gapping the spark plugs with this gapper and see if that hopefully fixes the problem. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it hates accelerating, so it causes the acceleration to be really slow. So I'll try to gap that and see what happens. Okay, I actually just cleared out all the crap out of here. Sounds a little poop is still there, so I might just clean it sometime later in the future, like more thoroughly. But right now I just cleaned everything from under and on top. Like, it stank really bad once the engine got really hot, so I did that. And then also I will need to gap the spark plugs, and for that I need the sleeve on the front is right here, but then there's 3 on the back, which is right under this, so this will have to come out, and then also the brace will have to come out. It's a little more of a pain, yes, for changing spark plugs on this car, but I mean, it's easy once you know what you're doing. Also, it's perfect timing now. I'll change my rims. I got another set that I'll show you in a minute, but it's perfect timing too because I got a flat on the other one. So I mean, what better time is there to change the set of wheels that I have. This is my set, the new one I got. Well, it's used. I got it for really cheap, but still much better than what I have. Those are 18 by 8, and then the tire size is 225 40 18, compared to the other one, the one I have right now on the car, which came with the car when I bought it. It's saying 205 55 17, and I really don't like how they look, so I'm gonna swap those to there and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so I just put the wheels on and I'm already loving the look. Like, it looks way better. And I ended up lowering the car just a little bit. I have coilovers installed in there. I can't see, but it's there. It's a little too dark, so won't be able to see that. I installed coilovers on it, but I didn't put it low enough to my liking, so it should be pretty low right now. Like, it's probably gonna get stuck on the hoist, so I'm gonna have to put wood on there. But yeah, the car looks like way better right now. I love this. Alright, moment of truth. I put some wood under the wheels so the car won't get stuck. Now let's see how it looks. Ooh, way lower. That's how I like it. Look at the fitment. Ooh, that's nice. That's how I like it. Now this is fitment. I mean, I had better fitment, but this looks pretty good for being a cheap set with a little bit of lowering. Like, that's perfect in my opinion. Looks so good. Alright, now that I'm done with the wheels, I'll start with the spark plugs. The 3 here are pretty easy. I just need to take out the wires, and then the coil packs themselves, and the spark plug will be in there. And then for this one, I'm gonna have to take all the bolts around, the vacuum pipes, all these bolts, and this hose. And that too, the brace, and yeah, I'm gonna have to take it out. Alright guys, I just took out the first one, the one right here, and I'm gonna do those two. And I just took it out. It smells like you can smell a lot of fuel out of it, and actually the gap is only 0.3, but I needed a 0.8. So here, this is the plug, and then I got the measure tool. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put it on, and it's stuck right on 0.3 about, and I need it all the way around here, so I'm gonna need to make it wider to fit all the way here, as you can see. After a little bit, I got it to be right about 1.8 or 0.8. I'm gonna put this one back just like the other one. This one is very close to 0.3, so I'm guessing they're all at 0.3, which is not that good for my car, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna do this to all 3, and then I'll go to the other side of the engine to do the other 3, and I'll show you what's going on from there. Okay, I got the manifold out, and then right over here you can see the 3 on the back, right under. I didn't take the manifold completely out because the throttle body is still connected and all the wires and vacuums are still there, so I'm a little bit lazy to do it. But anyway, I got the first one out from like right over there, and I'm gonna do those 3 right now and put it back, and that's it. We'll see if there's any improvements later. Everything's all put back together. All the spark plugs are gapped, and only thing that's left to do is check if the car actually starts, and hopefully it actually runs better. Okay, it runs. Sounds pretty good actually, but I can't know until I take it out. I love the sound of this car though. I got a test pipe too. I'm gonna be putting sometime next week, maybe a little more. I'm waiting for gaskets to come. Oh, I forgot I'm lowered, hitting everything. It's definitely not as bad as it was, like 100% sure, but there's still minimal, really small, like kind of hesitation. Yeah, that happened now. I don't know if you guys heard it. Alright guys, it's the second day. And I'm still gonna try find my issue with the slight misfire and whatever. I'm inside the car right now, and what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to I'll start it up and I'll disconnect each one of my injectors at a time and see if there's any RPM drop, and see if anything changes. If it doesn't, it means that the injector is faulty. Also, what I didn't really explain is when I bought the car in middle of winter, so I didn't really try to like step on it too much, so I didn't know how the car exactly feels, you know. I knew it had this slight misfire still, so that's why I changed the spark plugs, but after the spark plugs it became even a little worse. But I don't really know exactly because I didn't try until I changed the spark plugs, because I didn't really drive the car. I'll try to disconnect the first one and I'll see if there's any difference. Right, so I'm gonna disconnect the first one. So as you can hear, it's different by a lot. So the first one's okay. Now the second one, yeah, you can tell, way worse. Yeah, can you hear that? It gets way worse, and even the whole engine shakes. So that's not the problem. So I got spark. So I just checked all these 3 and they indeed work, in my opinion. Like the engine starts going crazy as soon as I disconnect each one. I'm gonna try check these injectors right there. There's 1, 2 and 3. I'm gonna try see those, and hopefully I don't have a faulty injector, because that's gonna suck a little bit. So at least I know that my coil packs are all good. So how to check injectors is take any like flathead screwdriver or anything that's metal, and then like on the bottom, on the most bottom of the injector, there's a metal body. So what you do is contact that metal body, and then you can hear the injector clicking, doing its job. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna be it. All it is troubleshooting my misfire problems. If any one of you knows what the issue might be, let me know down in the comments. Like, I will be glad to hear what you guys think of this. Hopefully I can get it sorted out. Like, it's a little better with the spark plugs done, but it's still there, like for sure there. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.